Hello, dear viewers. Today I want to share with you a great resource for anyone who runs their own business or freelances, the website thegoodox.com, where you can find a variety of free invoice templates. These templates will help you look professional to your clients and greatly simplify the invoicing process. To download the template, log into your Google account to work with Google Docs, Slides, and Sheets formats. If you don't have a Google account, sign up for free. Visit our website at goodox.com. Look at the Google Docs index word, then click Invoices. Choose a template that suits you. Click the Edit in Google Docs button. Then press the A4 button. Wait 10 seconds. In the new window, click the Make a Copy button. To edit the template, simply make the necessary changes to the text and formatting. You can add or delete items, change the order of items, and customize the appearance of the template. Invoice templates are very easy to use. You can download the file in Word and PDF formats. Just select the appropriate format from the file, Download As menu. Additionally, note that the edited template can be used not only in electronic form, but also printed by pressing Command+P on macOS and Control+P on Windows. Now, let's talk about our new membership. We offer free access to 5 templates every month. If you want to access all our templates without limitations, as well as other exclusive features, you can purchase a membership on our website. We have 2 subscription plans: Savings Plan, duration 12 months. Price $20 standard plan, duration 1 month. Price $5 per month. Membership provides you with the following benefits: access to all templates, including agenda templates, ability to download templates without restrictions, access to other exclusive features such as presentation templates, document templates, and spreadsheet templates. Using professionally designed templates not only saves you time, but also helps strengthen your business's reputation. Head over to thegoodox.com and choose the template that best suits your business to start invoicing with a new level of professionalism today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on even more helpful tips and recommendations for your business and work. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.